This Rocky Road Mousse Pie is an easy make-ahead pie that you can take to any occasion. Made with some pretty simple ingredients and quick to throw together, you just start with a large bowl, probably bigger than this one. You put in some cream cheese, some cocoa powder, sugar, milk, and you're going to mix it all together. I like the hand mixer. The problem with the small bowl that I was using is it shoots the cocoa powder everywhere, so you want a little bigger bowl. Make sure you get it off the sides. Put in the vanilla. You can actually add the vanilla with all the other stuff. I just forgot. So make sure you get that vanilla in there. Mix it up till it's nice and creamy. You're going to fold in your whipped topping. You can make your own whipped cream if you want, but I am all about fast and efficient. So just fold in that whipped topping. You want to be kind of gentle with it because we want it to keep a little bit of the air inside of it until it looks nice and brown. This is where the good stuff comes in. You're going to add mini chocolate chips, some chopped up almonds, and mini marshmallows, and mix it together. I like the almonds to be chopped up because I like the texture of it inside the pie. On top, I like to use the slivered almonds to make it look pretty. So now you're going to get your pre-made chocolate pie crust that you just buy at the store. You put the mousse right into it, smooth it out, and then you're going to top it with mini chocolate chips, some marshmallows, and then some pretty slivered almonds. And this really does just add a nice look to it. It makes it look a little bit more professional. You don't have to put any of this stuff on top, but I really do like the way that it looks. Use the handy dandy lid and stick it in the freezer for at least 3 hours. I've made the mistake of not letting it go in long enough, and then it's a little bit soft. So serve it up, and it is delicious. You can also freeze it the night before, pull it out, and it's ready to go. You can get the full recipe at messyjoyfuljourney.com.